Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. I'm Emma, and I'm very happy to see you again.
Hi, friends. I'm Jake. How are you today? I hope you're great.
In our last lesson, we learned I am, you are, he is, and she is. Do you remember, Jake?
Yes, I remember. I am Jake. I am American. You are Emma. You are British.
Very good, Jake. Today, we will learn something new. Today, we will learn how to ask questions.
Questions like, are you happy? Or, are you a teacher?
Exactly. And we will also learn how to say, no. How to make negative sentences.
Like, I am not tired, or, she is not American. This is very useful.
Yes, very useful. So, are you ready, Jake?
I am ready. Let's start.
Okay, students. Listen carefully. To make a question, we change the order of the words. Listen. You are happy. This is a sentence. Are you happy? This is a question.
Oh, I see. We move are to the front. Your becomes are you.
Yes, perfect. Are you a student? Are you tired? Are you from Japan?
And to answer, we say, yes, I am, or, no, I am not.
Excellent. I am not can also be, I'm not. It's shorter. We use it all the time.
I'm not tired. I'm not hungry. I'm not Italian.
Wonderful. Now, let's listen to a conversation. Two people meet for the first time. Listen carefully.
Hello, I'm Jake. What's your name?
Hi, Jake. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Are you from England?
Yes, I am. I'm from London. And you? Are you from America?
Yes, I am. I'm from New York. It's a big country, America.
Yes, America is a very big country. England is a small country.
Emma, are you married?
No, I'm not married. I'm single. And you, Jake? Are you single?
No, I'm not single. I'm married. My wife's name is Sarah.
Oh, lovely. Is Sarah American too?
No, she isn't. She's from Canada. Canada is a beautiful country.
How nice. Is she young?
Yes, she is. She's 28 years old. She's young.
And how old are you, Jake? Are you 28 too?
No, I'm not. I'm 32 years old.
Great work. Did you hear all the questions? Are you from England? Are you married? Are you single?
And the negatives. No, I'm not married. No, she isn't American. I'm not single.
Exactly. Let me explain. For I, we say, I am not, or I'm not. For you, we say, you are not, or you aren't.
And for he or she, we say, he is not, he isn't, she is not, she isn't.
Perfect. Now, Jake, let me ask you. Are you British?
Yes, I am British.
Wait, Jake, is that correct? Are you really British?
Oh, sorry. No, I'm not British. I'm American. I'm not from England, I'm from America.
Much better. Remember, we use not to say no. I'm not British. I'm not from England.
Emma, are you old?
Jake, that's not a polite question.
Oh, sorry, Emma. In English, we don't ask, are you old? We say, how old are you?
Yes, that's better. But I will answer. No, I'm not old. I'm young. I'm 30 years old.
30 is young. My grandmother is old. She's 85.
Now let's listen to another conversation. This time, two friends are talking about a new person at work. Jake, look. There's a new person in the office. Do you see her?
Yes, I see her. Is she new?
Yes, she is. Her name is Maria.
Is she from our country? Is she American?
No, she isn't American. She's from Spain.
Oh, Spain is a beautiful country. Is she young or old?
She's young. She's 25. She's not old at all.
Is she married?
I'm not sure. I think she's single. Yes, she's single.
And her brother? Is he here too?
No, he isn't. He's in Spain. He's not in our country.
Is he young too?
No, he isn't young. He's old. He's 70. But Maria is young.
Wow, that's a big difference. Is he married?
Yes, he is married. He's not single. His wife is also 70.
Interesting family. I want to meet Maria.
Wonderful conversation. Now let's review our new vocabulary words. The first word is country. A country is a place like America, England, or Japan.
America is my country. England is your country, Emma. Japan is a country in Asia. There are many countries in the world.
Excellent. The next word is old. Old means having many years. My grandmother is old. She is 90 years old.
And old is the opposite of young. A baby is young. A grandfather is old. My dog is old. He is 15 years old.
Yes. And young. Young means having few years. A baby is young. A child is young. Jake, are you young or old?
I'm 32. I think I'm young. I'm not old. Young people have a lot of energy.
Now, married. Married means you have a husband or a wife. Jake is married. His wife is Sarah.
Yes, I'm married. My friend John is married too. His wife is Lisa. Many people are married.
And the opposite of married is single. Single means you don't have a husband or a wife. I'm single.
My sister is single too. She's not married. Many young people are single. It's okay to be single or married.
Perfect, Jake. So our 5 words are country, old, young, married, and single.
Country, old, young, married, single. Easy to remember.
Now let's review everything. Students, listen and repeat in your head. How do we ask, are you American?
We say, are you American? And the answer is, yes, I am, or no, I'm not.
Good. How do we ask about another person, like, she?
We say, is she married, or is she young? And the answer is, yes, she is, or no, she isn't.
Excellent. Now, students, try to answer these questions. Are you from England?
I'm not from England. I'm from America. What about you, students? What is your country?
Are you married or single?
I'm married. Are you married? Or are you single? Both are good answers.
Are you young?
Maybe you're young, maybe you're not so young. That's okay. You can say, I'm young, or I'm not young.
Wonderful practice. Remember, to make a question with to be, put, am, is, or, are, first. To make a negative, add, not.
I'm not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't. Easy.
Wow, time flies. That's the end of today's lesson. You did a wonderful job, students.
Yes, great job. Today we learned to ask questions like, are you, and, is he. We learned to say, I'm not, and, she isn't.
And we learned 5 new words: country, old, young, married, and single. Practice these words today.
In our next lesson, we will learn about this and that. We will learn how to talk about things near us and things far away.
Yes, this is a book. That is a car. Very useful for everyday English. So join us next time.
Thank you for studying with us. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and see you in the next lesson.